This is our device. This device will be installed in the bus. This device consists of RFID reader, microcontroller, Arduino board and GPS system. RFID reader reads the data and GSM module sends the data to the server. This is the student ID card. As we can see, there is one chip. This chip is called RFID chip, that is radio frequency identity device. Each student will have the different UID number or chip. This is the school admin school panel. Here the website is school.nseindia.org/login. The school admin will sign in from here. This is the total number of students boarded in the bus, the total number of vehicles, the total number of vehicles running and total number of offline vehicles. This is the bus information table. Here we can see the driver and the phone number of the driver and the status of the bus. Now it is in the stop condition. There are various options in this menu like home. This is the home page only. This is the student section where we can add the information of the student manually, and this is the driver section. We can add the driver information, and the next is bus tracking, and track the bus where exactly it is. Now we can see the bus is somewhere here. We can track our bus and we can know whether it is running or it is in the stop condition. The number of students is 0 and the status is stop because of the same coordinates. Student will board in the bus. As he boards in the bus, he have to scan his card. Access given. Now we can see here in the admin panel that the student will be boarded here. The total number of students will get 1 and we can get the student information. The total number of students got 1 and we can check the student info by clicking here. This is the name of student, his mobile number and the various details are here. As he have just boarded in the bus, here it is in the green color. When he will be deboarded, then it will become red and exit time will occur here. Now the student will deboard, so he have to again scan his card. Access given. Now here we will see the change. The total number of students will become 0 and exit time will occur and the code will become red. Now as we can see, the total number of students became 0, exit time occurred here and the code became red, so he deboarded successfully. Now the school admin as well as the parents know the boarding time of the student and the exit time of the student. The parents can know it by using app and the school admin can know it by this admin panel. The school admin can and parents also can track the bus. As if the school admin found that the bus is in the stop condition, he can contact the driver, or if he sees the bus is going in the wrong route, he can disable the engine from here itself. As this system is very beneficial for the parents, they can see whether the bus is arriving or departing, or if there is any issue that the bus is stopped, then they can get the message that the bus is not in the working condition or it got failed.